In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint presentation as a link. Sometimes a PowerPoint file is just too large to attach to an email, or you want people to be able to view it online without downloading anything. Sending your presentation as a link solves both of those problems. It's cleaner, more professional, and much easier for your audience to access on any device. To begin, open the PowerPoint presentation you want to share. Make sure it's the final version, or at least close, because once you share it, people may start viewing it right away. Give the file a clear name so that anyone who opens the link immediately understands what the presentation is about. Next, you'll want to save your presentation to a cloud storage service that supports sharing links. The most common option, especially if you're using Microsoft PowerPoint, is OneDrive. If you're using PowerPoint on your computer, look for the option to save to the cloud, then choose your OneDrive or your organization's online storage. If the file is currently saved only on your computer, you may need to use Save As and select your cloud location so it uploads there. Once your presentation is in the cloud, you can create a shareable link. In PowerPoint, look for the Share button, usually in the top right corner. When you click Share, you should see options to invite people by email or to copy a link. Choose the option that allows you to get a link you can paste anywhere. Before you copy the link, pay attention to the permissions. This is important. Decide whether you want people to be able to view only or also edit the presentation. For most situations, especially if you're sending this to clients, classmates, or a large group, you'll want view-only access so no one accidentally changes your slides. Set it to something like, anyone with the link can view. Or, if you need more control, restrict it to specific people or to your organization. After you've chosen the right permission settings, confirm them and then copy the link. Now you can paste this link into an email, a chat message, a document, or even embed it in a website or learning platform. When your recipient clicks the link, the presentation will open in their browser without them needing PowerPoint installed. As a final tip, you might want to test the link yourself first. Open a new browser window, paste the link, and make sure it loads correctly and shows the presentation the way you expect. Once that looks good, you're ready to share your PowerPoint as a link with confidence.